Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today, I'm diving into something super exciting and potentially life-changing for all you aspiring content creators out there. We're talking about how top creators are making big money in 2024 and how you can join them. If you're aiming to be part of that elite group who maximize their potential, you've tuned in at just the right time. Let's get rolling. All right, let's kick things off by looking at the big players and their earnings. Imagine this. Mr. Beast pulled in a whopping $82 million last year. And even those who are considered lower earners, like Taylor Cassidy, bagged $500,000. That's no small change, right? Most of these top earners are dominating platforms like TikTok and YouTube, with TikTok being the main stage for about 46% of them, and YouTube for 38%. It's clear where the action is. Here's your action step. Jumpstart your presence on TikTok and YouTube. Start pushing content that resonates with you. Keep it real and consistent. That's your foundation. Moving on, let's talk diversification. On average, successful creators juggle about 3.38 different income streams. They're not just relying on ad revenue, they're branching out. Action step for you. Brainstorm, what are you passionate about? Could you design a product, maybe initiate a subscription plan, or how about engaging in some brand collaborations? Sketch out at least 3 diversified income avenues. Now, onto business ownership, a solid strategy that more than half of these influencers leverage. They're not just content creators, they're entrepreneurs. Your action step, evaluate your skills and interests. Could you kickstart a small enterprise or dive into an investment that sparks your interest? It could be anything from an e-commerce venture to a consultancy service. Start small, think big. Let's highlight some key success strategies. First off, don't just rely on one income source. Mix it up to align with your brand and audience. Secondly, focus on your followers, not just the algorithm. Understand and cater to their preferences to keep them hooked. And your action step here, engage actively with your community. Read their comments, reply to their messages, and solicit their feedback. Use this goldmine of insights to craft content that strikes a chord with them. Lastly, let's touch on tools and sponsorships. Ever heard of platforms like Uscreen? They're fantastic for crafting membership-based revenue streams, helping you lock in a sustainable income by offering exclusive, valuable content to your followers. Consider this. What unique content could you provide that your audience would pay for? Whether it's educational material, a peek behind the scenes, or a specialized workshop, make sure it adds real value. So, there you have it. 5 solid strategies to carve your path in the content creation world, just like the top earners in 2024. Remember, the secret ingredients are consistency, audience engagement, and income diversification. Now go out there, start creating, and make 2024 your breakthrough year. If you found this guide useful, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on escalating your creative game to new heights. Catch you in the next one.